we can go to the next bhajan. I wanted to say this is a melodious bhajan, and and melody is somehow, I feel it always connects you to God in a very unique way. The main thing is, we get so distracted with the harmonium, or somebody's not singing right, or the pitch is not right. We get so distracted. What is the neighbor going to think about us? All these things distract us from the goal. But that's why I always remember, this is the way I remember about Gayatri Mantra. Swami said it needs to have those three aspects. And of course, you could call, Bhava, Raga, Talam is the Bharat, is Bhava, Raga, Talam. Swami says the Trinity. Ragam is the tune, Talam is the beat. Those are important, of course, when you sing. Yeah, but the most important Swami wants is the bhavam. That's the meditative aspect. If you can do that with a full yearning, if you create a story that involves more practice, but ultimately for all of us, we got to keep the name of the Lord, and the best way to do that is bhajanam. Bha is God, Ja is human, the Jan, the ones who are born is we, Nam, the name, the name that unites the singer and the God, is one simple way of putting it together too. With that little introduction, of course, there are so many bhajans in this ragam. In South Indian music, it is Carnatic music. It's called Aberi ragam. In the It's called Beemplas in the North Indian style. There are many other songs. Let me just sing this song quickly, so that way you know the gist of how it goes. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana, Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana, Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana, Mathuradipate Mandaragiridhara, Mathuradipate Mandaragiridhara, Murali Manohara Narayana, Narayana Namo Narayana, Narayana Namo Narayana, Narayana Sai Narayana, Narayana Namo Narayana, Narayana Namo Narayana, Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. This song is mainly all about praise. You are just sing the Jai, glory to Govinda, glory to Narayana, Mathuradipati, the Lord of Mathura, the one who lifted the Mandara mountain, the one who makes us happy with his Bansi Murali, which is the flute, Narayana, and I offer my salutations to you. That's, you could, it's all adoration, adoration, adoration. So that's praise, prayer, and meditation part. You can put a mix, and there are many other bhajans similar to this tune. Jai Jai Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jai Jai Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman. That's one. Devi Jagajanani Sai Mata, Pranava Swarupini Praneshwari, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Raghurama, Dasharatha Nandana Raja Rama, Radhika Jeevana. So many melodies. E Shama Sundara, E Sai Sundara, Om Murha, Jaya Om Murha. So many songs like that. Okay, Surya, we'll go now. जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
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 Got it. जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
नारायण नारायण जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
मथुराधिपते मन्दरगिरिधर
मधुराधिपते मन्दरगिरिधर
मथुराधिपते
मधुराधिपते
मथुराधिपते simple make it मथुराधिपते
मधुराधिपते
मन्दरगिरिधर
मन्दरगिरिधर
मथुराधिपते मन्दरगिरिधर
मधुराधिपते मन्दरगिरिधर
मन्दरगिरिधरि increase the re मन्दरगिरिधर
मन्दरगिरिधर
मुरली मनोहर
मुरली मनोहर
नारायण
नारायण
मुरली मनोहर नारायण
मुरली मनोहर नारायण
Beautiful. नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण साई नारायण
नारायण साई नारायण
This is also like that. You are kind of it's a lullaby to the Lord, kind of, you just, it's like an inner connection in that particular line. Whether you do in other lines or not, somehow you gravitate to this line. Is, I think, is a very special line for me. Whenever I sing the song, this is where I try to make that inner meditation aspect comes in. Once you are able to connect. Yeah, Narayana Sai Narayana.
नारायण साई नारायण
Beautiful, Surya. Narayana Namo Narayana.
नारायण नमो नारायण
Narayana Namo Narayana.
नारायण नमो नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण.
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
जय हरि गोविन्द नारायण
Those who are repeating, or the harmonium will bring you back. Narayana, Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana.
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
Sometimes, those who are a little bit more proficient, they could all give a briha to it, or a little Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana Narayana. That's not needed, but I'm just saying some people can, who want to embellish, can always do it. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Simple. Yeah. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana.
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
मथुराधिपते मंदरगिरीधर
मधुराधिपते मन्दरगिरिधर
मंदरगिरीधर मंदरगिरीधर
मन्दरगिरिधर
मथुराधिपते मंदरगिरीधर
मधुराधिपते मन्दरगिरिधर
मुरली मनोहर नारायण
मुरली मनोहर नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण साई नारायण
नारायण साई नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
नारायण नमो नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण
जय जय गोविन्द नारायण